When the Sharptainer contains 250 needles or more, the counter blinks to indicate you should be mindful of potential entry funnel blockages. After 400 removal procedures, the needle-off display shows full. The electronic overfill protection will no longer accept another needle until the Sharptainer is replaced. To remove the Sharptainer, hold the base by the indentations and gently pull it forward. The Sharptainer lid will automatically close off on removal from needle-off. The display now shows no Sharptainer. Every full Sharptainer should be permanently sealed for safe disposal. To seal, tear off the lid sealing strip and push the lid forward until you hear a clicking sound. The sealed Sharptainer can no longer be used or reopened and is safe to discard in your medical waste container. Insert a new or partially filled Sharptainer. The Sharptainer lid will automatically reopen. The display shows in and the number of removal procedures performed with this Sharptainer. Needle-off is now ready for use.